Hi, welcome to the new episode of GPR. आज का शेर है मौजज़न एक कुल्ज़ुम खूंकश यही हो. मौजज़न मतलब ये कि displaying huge waves sort of approximately. मौज मतलब waves. कुल्ज़ुम sea. Kulzum Khunkash. Khun is essentially blood, and Khunkash will mean the one that draws blood. So there's a red sea of blood which is roiling in front of me, and I wish that's all there will be to it, that we won't see any more of it, any more of bloodletting. आता है अभी देखिए क्या क्या मेरे आगे. Let's see what all comes before me, what all I have to face. So that's where we are at in this COVID situation. None of us knows how bad it will become, whether it will become better or not. But I'm feeling that we are not able to address it in as united a manner as we should be addressing it. So I think during this crisis and after it, soon after it, what we will need to be doing is to be uniting with each other. And why don't we unite? We don't unite because the realities are different for us. What is reality for me is not reality for you. What is reality for you is not reality for your father or for your son or for your wife or for anyone else. So as we have seen already, discussed already, realities really emerge from our individual subjective truths. What we think is true, but what others might not think is true, what objectively might not be true. And as we have already seen and discussed, as far as the real reality is concerned, it's really unknowable. So we are all into this with our own different stories. Stories which are real for me, stories which are mythical for you. So what I am requesting today, what I am submitting today is that we have no choice but to believe in our own stories. But let us at least understand that those are our myths, my personal myths, the myths of the group that I am associating myself with, the country that I am associated with, that I am born in, that I am a citizen of, the professional group that I am associated with, the family, the community, the religion, so on and so forth. So, true, we always see our own stories as real. Our myths are real for us. But remember, others' myths are real for them. So let's accord that respect to their myths. Let us not think that my myth is real and other person's myth or other person's reality is a myth. My myth is real for me, their myth is real for them. That's all. Let us practice the Jain philosophical concept of Anekantvad. And I think I'll have to stop now because as you can see, the rain is not agreeing with my phone. My phone's reality may be a myth for me, but it's a reality for the phone. It doesn't like getting wet. So bye bye.